Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this watermelon draw filter on TikTok. Okay, so this is the effect. Okay, to get this effect on TikTok, what you can do, just go to your effect gallery. Okay, it's in my favorite. Remember this image. You should see this filter on your trending section. Okay, suppose you can't see the filter here in trending section, what you can do, tap on the search button and here search for watermelon draw. Okay, the first one with 2.2 million videos. Okay, you got the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do, just go to your For You page. Okay, and here search for watermelon draw filter. Okay, so on the top row you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. You will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can add it to your favorites, and at the bottom of the screen you will see use this effect. Just tap there to use the effect. Okay, and suppose you can't see the effects here, what you can do, you can tap on these videos also. Okay, as you can see on the bottom left corner of the video, the effect name is there, it's in yellow. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page again. Now just tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, and that's it, you got the filter. So that's it guys, likewise you can get this effect on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys, see you in the next video.